Okay, so I'm making a quick appetizer here. I've got a base of a little bit of marinated balsamic coleslaw. I'm going to be putting my beets right over here like this. I've got half a pickled egg here, and I've got some of my favorite Hatch chili powder. Okay, got another pickled egg here, and I got one of my other favorites, and that is ají amarillo powder. Just putting a touch on it there. So I got 2 peppers working right there. Okay, got these little beets that we did earlier. 1, 2, 3. And I got 3 more of them right here. 1, 2, 3. Got this beet rose that I tossed together. I'll put that in the front. I got a little bit of julienne beets right here. Just put a few of these over here like this. All right, that's the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day. That's a pretty unusual appetizer.